Good morning to all. I am M.Chitra from ADS department. I am talk about here data models. Data models defines how data is structured and organized and related in the database. They include the entities, attributes and relationship, providing the framework for data storage and retrieval. Common types include relational, document-oriented and graph models. The types of the models are hierarchical model and network model and relational model. In hierarchical model, it represents the top to bottom approaches. It represents the data in the tree-like structures. It is a parent-child relationship. The network model, the similar to the hierarchical model, but allows the multiple parent-child relationship. Complex connection among the entities. The producer is the parent of the organic and non-organic. Organic is the child of the lemons and grapes and banana and onion and relational model. The relational model is defined about the relation between the two tables. It organizes the data into the tables with rows and columns. They emphasize the relationship through the keys. The relational data models. The relational data models contains the tables and the rows and the columns. The tables organizes the data into a structured format. The rows represent individual records. The columns represent the attributes. Primary and foreign keys. Primary key is the unique key to identify each record in the table. The foreign key establishes the relationship between the tables. The student ID is the primary key of the table. The student ID and the class ID is the foreign key of the table, and the class ID is the primary key. The entity relationship models. The entity relationship models represent the real world objects. The supplier is the table of the container. It always represented in the rectangle diagram. The super status and the super name is the attributes of the suppliers, and the supplies is the link to the mapping of the two entities. Attributes describes characteristics of the entities. Kernelity and normalizations. Kernelity defines the relationship between the entities. The normalization ensures the efficient data storage and minimize the redundancy. Redundancy means the duplication of the data can be minimized. The advantages. The advantages of the data models is structured organization, data integrity, scalability, reduced redundancy and concurrent access, data security and data independence. Disadvantages. The complexity and the cost, learning curve, security concern, performance overhead, dependency on the database software, potential for data loss. Consideration for choosing a data model: scalability and the data complexity, ease of querying, flexibility, performance and normalization versus and denormalization. The practical examples is for relational data model, online retail database, while tables include the customers, products and orders, with relationship defining the customer, orders and product details. Hierarchical models, data models examples: employee database for the company, where each employee reports to a specific manager, creating the hierarchical structures. The network data models, a logistic system tracking the shipments and routes and delivery points with interconnector nodes and representing the different components. Thank you.